The next Bitcoin move has already been started, but no one is paying any attention right now towards what is happening in the crypto market, because this chart is getting me really exciting. And with that, some major news is coming and flowing into crypto, and this is a massive development for the future of crypto. And with that, really nice trading setup are already forming over on Bitcoin, and I will deep dive into every single detail about those trading setups in today's daily update video. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel if you love those daily update videos, because we have been literally printing over the last few weeks here. We have been publicly shorting Bitcoin from off the top side towards the price targets we are at right now. Right now we are in some massive profits on the Ethereum trade as well. I will deep dive into what I will be doing next with those positions, but first of all, let me dive into a really interesting chart for the future of Bitcoin, because every single time Bitcoin dumped towards the lower side of this channel, Bitcoin started to rally towards the top side of the channel, and that are just massive moves. And guess what is happening right now? We are tapping in the lower side of this channel, and this could mean that the Bitcoin bottom is in at $60,000, and price targets are just insane here, because if we look at the price target here, Bitcoin could go towards a $320,000. And this is just an inevitable price target. And if Bitcoin starts to rally and bottom out from the lower side of this zone, we could see an exponential move happening towards the upside. We have been seeing exactly the same thing in 2023, where we just tapped the lower side of the range and we pushed higher. 2020, exactly the same, lower side of the range, push towards the top side. 2015, exactly again, lower side towards the top side. Just massive gains to be made, and the same signal is appearing right now. And not only that is really bullish in the market right now, because crypto and banks just struck a deal about the stablecoin yield, and this is a really interesting development for the Clarity Act, because both sides agreed to earn rewards through activity but not to earn yield for just holding. That is just banned, and this was a really interesting thing for the Clarity Act, where the Clarity Act was stuck about this rule. And right now, they have just made a new deal, and this could speed up the Clarity Act within the next weeks. And we all know that if the Clarity Act is about to pass here, that Bitcoin could see a massive inflow, and we will see some major improvements in the market here, and also some big gains to be made. And with that, some really interesting trading setups are forming right now, because what we actually can see is that we have been publicly shorting the top side of this channel here, range here. We have been publicly doing that and opening up the short position orders before it even happened, and that is currently the trade where I am still in right now. As you can actually see, we are at a $6,000 approximately, but what am I planning to do next on Bitcoin? If Bitcoin managed to break this high towards the upside, which we are currently doing right now, and see a perfect retest here, I am closing my short position, and I will be opening up a new long position on Bitcoin, and that exact position will probably look something like this to trade the Bitcoin price further on towards the upside. Why? If Bitcoin managed to break the structure towards the top side here, we will probably see more bullish momentum coming in Bitcoin, and of course we want to be with that momentum and we want to trade it as well. So this is the next plan here on Bitcoin. If we see so, I will open up a long position and close my short position. If Bitcoin rejects from of this zone, we will probably see a further move towards the downside, towards the lower side of this range, and with that we can look for trades at the lowest green box here for Bitcoin. Right now I'm still in an ETH position here, and I'm just holding this one through. For now, no need to do anything about it. If Ethereum will drop any further towards the downside, I will add even more. But one thing is really important here, because I have been literally sharing this Ethereum trade free in the Telegram group here. And you can literally join that free Telegram group by yourself at the first link in the description. I shared the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin short perfectly here. We have been predicting the top here on the dot, and we have been shorting it publicly before it even happened. And right now I shared the next trading setup in the free Telegram group, so please make sure to join the free Telegram group. It's just completely free and we are literally printing with each other, so please make sure to not miss out on that one. And if you want to trade by yourself, please make sure to sign up on TOOBIT with the second link in the description, because right now you can literally win $60,000 if you deposit and trade over on TOOBIT. So please make sure to sign up on TOOBIT towards the second link in the description here. And with that being said, some really interesting times are coming to Bitcoin, because this chart is screaming the next move, and this news is hitting the market like crazy, and this will develop a massive move on Bitcoin. So that is why it is so important to follow me over on those socials, because I will be literally updating you every single day if you follow me over on X and if you subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.